Hi, my name is Ivan. I'm a Shopify expert at TechDome Corp. And in this video, I want to show you example of dropshipping online store that I built using Shopify. Let's dive in. First, I'm going to show you front page. This is online store selling outdoors camping products. Top menu has different collections. Then banner. Next is 4 collections with images. Then cooking collection. And last is tools collection. It purposely missing one of the products because we're going to build it together, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to add the products from AliExpress to Shopify. To do so, let's move to the back end. Let's go to apps, search AliExpress dropshipping. I'm looking for manual hand steel rope. Press enter. Select product you like. Add to import list. Go to import list to check. I can edit product here, but I purposely am going to edit that in Shopify. Push to Shopify. Select the checkbox, also push to online store. Now product is in the store, so let's edit this product. First, I will select filter, sort, create it newest first, especially if you have a lot of product, it makes sense. Make title shorter. AliExpress known by having the longest titles. So just a manual hand steel rope. Save. Let's scroll down to variants. Select all. Edit. Bulk edit. And let's go to columns and add cost per item. Well, actually, we don't need the cost per item. Just charge taxes. Because if you add cost per item, you can see your margin. Save. And now let's see. I want to have a clear picture on the white background. So move it to main picture. Lastly, add tags. Let's add tools. So we'll add to the collection tools and save it. Let's check on front end, and it looks just as intended. Let's see the product page. Images on the left. Click on different variants. Changes the images. How nice. That's all I wanted to show you in this video. If you want me to build a website for you, my contact information is down below. Cheers.